everybody, this is the Dashboard. And this time we're taking you out to the Town of Hilliard's Holiday Golf Cart Parade. And this is the Walkabout Cab. Um, this was a little golf cart parade they held as between Christmas and New Year's. It was a nice little diversion, a little break up of the monotony between the two holidays. It was bigger and better than last year. There were more golf carts. More of them had Christmas lights on them and were lit up, which was nice.
There they come.
So yeah, it was a good little event. So I took a lot of video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
You should have known, y'all. It's all on Facebook. They're all starting to turn on. Every one of them. He got one bright light. It's playing the Grinch. They got support now. That was Hobbs. The teacher.
Mm-hmm. Wow, they got it together this year.
Yeah.
With the lights.
Yeah. There's more coming.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This one's pulling a train.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, it's made up like a train. Polar Express. That was cute. Oh, here goes another one. That is so cute. You want me to get out?
No. So he put his car further over this time than he did last time.
Mm-hmm. He did. And there's no way to turn yours off. There they come. That's the mayor.
Mm-hmm.
He's had on a boot.
That one had the most lights on it, I think.
Mm-hmm. You always got a gap. kid on their phone.
I know. It's like, gee, that ruins it a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. You couldn't play Christmas music?
It's not Christmas anymore.
Grinch is ready to go.
I used to spend my nights out.
They got shuffled a little bit somewhere
Yeah.
along the way.
Yeah, you got people that joined them that ain't decorated.
There was the only love I've known.
That's what it is. Those two joined it back there somewhere. That's it.
If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.